Here's some Montserrat Volcano trivia. Subscribe. What year did the Soufrière Hills Volcano become active? Is it A, 2010, B, 1987, C, 2005, or D, 1995? The correct answer is D, 1995. Which British territory is known for volcanic eruptions? Is it A, Montserrat, B, Cayman Islands, C, Gibraltar, or D, Bermuda? The correct answer is A, Montserrat. What did the 1997 eruption lead to in Montserrat? Is it A, increased tourism, B, evacuations, C, economic growth, or D, infrastructure development? The correct answer is B, evacuations. What type of volcano is Soufrière Hills? Is it A, stratovolcano, B, shield volcano, C, fissure vent, or D, cinder cone? The correct answer is A, stratovolcano. Which British group governs Montserrat? Is it A, Canada, B, United States, C, United Kingdom, or D, Australia? The correct answer is C, United Kingdom. What is the capital of Montserrat? Is it A, Braides, Fox Bay, C, Point Pleasant, or D, Long Bay? The correct answer is A, Braides. In what ocean is Montserrat located? Is it A, South Pacific, B, Indian Ocean, C, Arctic Ocean, or D, Caribbean Sea? The correct answer is D, Caribbean Sea. What is the name of Montserrat's national park? Is it A, Morne-Trois-Pitons, B, Devil's Bridge, C, El Yunque, or D, Soufrière Hills National Park? The correct answer is D, Soufrière Hills National Park. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.